social media. So today we are installing a full-size 5-ton system. Now, this gives you an idea of really how slim these units are. So compare it to a full-size pad, which the old unit was sitting on, and that 5-ton Goodman literally took up this entire pad. So imagine trying to slide by and get through and access the backyard from this tiny little space. So what we were able to do was install, you guessed it, 5-ton slimline unit, and just much slimmer, as you can see. And it's going to allow you to have much better access to the backyard. You know what other problems that this unit solves? It's not going to be as loud as this bedroom. Things are whisper quiet when they run. You're not going to have the vibration and the loud sound from that unit running. And hopefully they get a little bit better night's sleep without this thing on the other side of their bedroom window. And of course gives them way better access to the side yard here. So just thought I would share.